I know what you're thinking. This looks excessive. But the last time I was down here, I had a headache for 3 days. I don't want to do that again. We have a mold problem here. And this is about time that I get rid of it. So this is what it looks like now. And hopefully in an hour or two I can show you how it's supposed to look like. This is the day after. Actually, it's been full 24 hours. I've let it dry a bit. So now let's go and see how clean it actually got. And bear in mind, this is not clean in the normal sense clean that it's white. But it's pretty remarkable how much of the mold is gone. I would say 95%. Can never be too sure, but this worked. Crazy.